across my eye. Pure silence is the perfect noise. A setting unexpected, but it's perfect in so many ways.